Welcome to online classes, children. Today in chapter number 9, that is time and temperature, we are going to discuss duration of days. First we will see the calendar. Okay, so in a calendar we have 12 months. 1 year equals to 12 months. Okay, so the first month is January. In January we have 31 days. Okay, then second month is February. In February generally we have 28 days, but in a leap year we have 29 days in February. Okay, then the third month is March, and in March we have 31 days. Okay, then April, in April we have 30 days. Then May, in May we have 31 days. June we have 30 days, and then in July we have 31 days. Then in August we have 31 days. Then in September we have 30 days. October we have 31 days. Then in November we have 30 days, and in December, the last month of the year, we have 31 days. Okay. On the basis of number of days, we will solve my practice time 4. Okay, question number 2 is a drawing competition in a school starts on 13 October and lasts for 7 days. Prizes were also distributed on the last day of the competition. Find the date on which the prizes were distributed. Okay, so in this question, the starting date of competition is 13 October and the drawing competition lasts for 7 days. Okay, so duration of drawing competition is 7 days. Okay, we have to find the last day of the competition, okay, on which the prizes were distributed. The prizes were distributed on the last day, so we have to find the last day of the competition. Okay, so we can find the last day of the competition by counting 7 days starting from 13 October. We will start from 13 October and we will count 7 days. Okay, so 13 October, 14 October, 15 October, 16 October, 17 October, 18 October and 19 October. Okay, so total 7 days, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 6 day and 7 day. Okay, so total 7 days. We are having 19 October as the last day of the competition. Okay, the last day of the competition is 19 October. So the prizes were distributed on 19 October. Okay. Now the next question number 4 is Nisha is 15 years old. Her sister is 4 years 6 months younger than her. Find Nisha's younger sister's age. Okay, so we have to find Nisha's younger sister's age. Okay, Nisha is 15 years old and her younger sister is 4 years 6 months younger than her. Okay, so Nisha's age is 15 years. Her sister is 4 years 6 months younger. So her sister's age will be 15 years minus 4 years 6 months. Okay, 4 years 6 months. Okay, let's see how to subtract, children. We have to subtract this 15 year 0 month minus 4 years 6 months. Okay, so we cannot subtract this 6 months from 0 month. Okay, from 0 month we cannot subtract 6 months. Okay, so this 0 month will become 12 month. We will borrow 1 year from this 15 year. We will borrow 1 year from this 15 years. So this 0 month will become 12 months. Okay, 1 year equals to 12 months. Okay, so this 15 year will borrow 1 year to this. Okay, so this 15 year will become 14 years and this 0 month will become 12 months. Okay, now subtract it. This 6 cannot be subtracted from 2, so this 2 will borrow from this 1. Okay, this 2 will borrow from this 1, so this 1 will become 0 and this 2 will become 12. Okay, now subtract 6 from 12, you will get 6. Okay, 0, then 4 minus 4 will be 0, then 1 will be as it is 1. Okay, so we are getting here 10 years 6 months. So Nisha's younger sister age will be 10 years 6 months. Now the next question, question number 6 is, Sarita starts a project on 17 September and completes it on 4th November. Count the number of days she took to complete the project. Okay, so here Sarita started her project on 17 September and she completes her project on 4th November. So we have to count the number of days she is taking to complete his project. Okay, so we can find the number of days she took to complete the project by counting from 17 September to 4 November. Okay, so we have to count 17 September, 18 September, 19 September, 20, 21 September, 22 September, 23 September, 24 September, 25 September, 26 September, 27 September, 28 September, 29 September, 30 September. Okay, in September we have number of days 30 days. Okay, so till 30 September we will count. From 17 to 30 September we are having 14 days. Okay, we will have 14 days in September. Now after September we will have October. In October we have 31 days. So from 1 October to 31 October we will have 31 days in the month of October. Okay, then in November, she is completing her project on 4th November. So from 1 to 4 November we will have 4 days in November. We will have 4 days in November. So total number of days that Sarita took to complete her project will be, total number of days will be equal to 14 plus 31 plus 4. 14 days in September, 31 days in October and 4 days in November. So total number of days will be equal to 49 days. Okay, so Sarita will take 49 days to complete her project. Okay, now the next question is question number 7. Deepak reached back home after a 27-day holiday trip on 19 June 2015. Calculate the day when Deepak had started his trip. Okay, so we have to calculate the starting day of the trip. Okay, so the finishing day of the trip is 19 June 2015. Okay, so we can find the starting date of the trip by counting 27 days backwards starting from 18 June. Okay, we will start from 18 June, not from 19 June, because on 19 June he reached back home. Okay, so we will not count 19 June, we will start from 18 June. So 18 June, 17 June, 16 June, 15 June, 14 June, 13 June, 12 June, 11 June, 10 June, 9 June, 8 June, 7 June, 6 June, 5 June, 4 June, 3 June, 2 June, 1 June. Okay, then after 1 June we will have 31 May, 31 May, 30 May, 29 May, 28 May, 27 May, 26 May, 25 May, 24 May and 23 May. So this total we have 27 days. Okay, so the starting day of the trip we are getting as 23 May. Okay, so Deepak started his trip on 23 May 2015. Now the next question, question number 9 is, Azhar's mother started knitting a sweater on 19 November. She planned to complete knitting the sweater in 45 days. On which date is she supposed to finish knitting? Okay, she is planning to knit the sweater in 45 days. And she started knitting a sweater on 19 November. Okay, so we have to calculate the finishing date. Okay, so starting date of sweater knitting is 19 November and knitting duration is 45 days. So we have to calculate the finishing date. Okay, we can find the finishing date of the knitting by counting 45 days starting from 19 November. Okay, so we will start from 19 November and we will count 45 days. Okay, so 19 November, 20 November, 21 November, 22 November, 23 November, 24 November, 25 November, 26 November, 27 November, 28 November, 29 November, 30 November. So in November, from 19 November to 30 November, we are having 12 days in the month of November. Then total duration is 45 days. So remaining days are 33. 33 days are remaining. Okay. Total duration are 45 days. So 12 days we have already counted from 19 November to 30 November. So remaining days are 33 days. So from 1 December to 31st December, we will have 31 days in the month of December. Okay, in the month of December, we will have 31 days. So total we are having 43 days. Again, 2 days are remaining. Okay, we have the duration 45 days of duration of 45 days. So again 2 days are remaining. So 1 January to 2 January. After 31st December, we will have 1 January. Okay, so 1 January to 2 January, there will be 2 days in month of January. So we get the finishing date 2 January. Okay, so Azhar's mother is finishing knitting the sweater on 2 January. Okay. So this is your home task, children. Solve it in your copy and submit it in MS Teams class notebook. Thank you, children.